OpenAI has finally rolled out GPT Image 2, and let me tell you, this thing is probably going to beat Nano Banana 2 and become the best image generator out there right now. I'm not even kidding, seriously. I've been testing it like crazy, and I had to make this video to show you exactly why it's blowing my mind. Alright, to test this beast out, simply head over to the ChatGPT website. On the left sidebar, click on More, and then click on Images. This takes you to a dedicated page, and this is where we are going to test the true power of GPT Image 2. For the very first test, I'm typing in a surprisingly difficult prompt. Create me a realistic screenshot of the YouTube homepage, phone view. Let's hit generate and see what it actually cooks up. Wait a second for the image to generate. Okay. Oh my god. Let me zoom in on this for you guys because this is mind-blowing. This literally looks like an exact realistic screenshot pulled straight from a smartphone. Look at the details. It generated a cohesive video title, a proper thumbnail, the UI buttons, the timestamps. Everything is perfectly placed. If you scroll down and look at the layout, it did a fantastic job. To make this a fair fight, I took that exact same prompt and ran it through Nano Banana 2 using Vertex inside Google Cloud. And honestly, the Nano Banana 2 result is decent, but instead of giving me a screenshot, it literally generated an image of a physical phone screen. It completely missed the nuance of the prompt. GPT Image 2's result actually looks like a digital screenshot. Round 1 goes to GPT Image 2. Let's push it harder. I want to design a product. I typed in, create a fictional product of a Grok laptop. And oh my god, what GPT Image 2 delivered? It looked like straight up professional landing page material. Not just the laptop itself. It showed the front, the back, keyboard details, specs, features listed out perfectly, even some angle shots. It was giving full product reveal energy. I was like, this could be on the official Grok store tomorrow. Then I scrolled down and it had even more angles with keyboard close-ups. Just perfect. Now, if we look at Nano Banana 2's attempt, yeah, it's not even close. It looks super basic, like a generic stock photo. GPT Image 2 wins again by a mile. But wait, it gets better. GPT Image 2 actually provides a built-in brush tool option right on the interface. So I just selected the brush tool, painted over the laptop in that infographic, and simply typed change color to golden. And boom, it seamlessly swapped the color to a sleek gold without messing up the rest of the image or the lighting. No Photoshop required. For the next test, I uploaded an image of a Tesla directly into ChatGPT and gave it this prompt. Create a high-quality, realistic infographic where each feature of this Tesla car is explained in detail. And guys, GPT Image 2 absolutely nailed it. The infographic it built is next level. It pulled out the features, drew the lines perfectly, and organized the text in a way that looks like it belongs in a premium car magazine. I have no words. Nano Banana 2 also gave me a good result here, but it just lacks that ultra premium polish that GPT Image 2 is pushing out. Alright, let's test character consistency in advertising. I took a screenshot of some Jordan shoes from a shopping website, uploaded it, and said, now create a detailed 16:9 ratio product advertisement poster of these Jordan shoes that must be visually great and cinematic. Show an image of my humanoid character as well. I also uploaded my channel's character image. You guys know him by now. Let me fix a quick typo, hit generate, and here we go. This is next level stuff, man. It literally fitted my exact humanoid character perfectly into a high-budget Jordan advertisement poster. The lighting, the shadows, the detailing, it is all flawless. Most importantly, it maintained the exact design of the shoes. Nano Banana 2 did an okay job with this, but again, it didn't look nearly as cinematic or natural. What about virtual clothing? I took screenshots of 4 different angles of a clothing brand's outfit. I uploaded those 4 images, plus my humanoid character, and typed, images 1 to 4 are model images. I want you to test the clothes he wears on my image 5 humanoid. Cover the possible angles like front, back, and center, and show how it looks on him. The result? It created a highly detailed multi-angle infographic with crazy accuracy. It mapped the clothes perfectly onto my character's body type. Nano Banana 2 gave me a decent result, but again, GPT Image 2 took the crown. For our last major head-to-head, I uploaded my character image and an image of the Grok anime girl. I told it, based on Image 1 and Image 2 characters, create an ultra-realistic action movie poster named the Nano Banana Killer. Savage prompt, I know. And wow, the movie poster looks incredibly promotional and cinematic. To be fair, Nano Banana 2 actually fought back on this one and produced a poster on the exact same quality level. So we'll call that round a tie. To wrap this up, I ran a few extreme rapid-fire tests just to see where this model breaks. I asked for an image of 100 essential car parts in a single frame. It actually managed to fit them in with shocking accuracy. Getting this many distinct items in one shot used to be impossible for AI. I did the same thing with 100 dog breeds, and honestly, if you know your dogs, you can actually identify a ton of them clearly. I asked for an educational infographic on how a heart attack happens. Now, I'm no doctor, but the informative details and medical illustrations look incredibly solid and well structured. It generated a flawless screenshot of an influencer promoting an OpenAI speaker. It made a gorgeous, highly detailed infographic about a Maine Coon cat. And finally, it generated a flawless 2-page manga spread that looks insanely authentic. So what is the final verdict? Overall, GPT Image 2 literally destroys Nano Banana 2 in almost every single real-world use case. It is not even close anymore. This is honestly the most surprising release from OpenAI in a long time and has completely exceeded my expectations. Until today, nobody could touch Nano Banana 2, but GPT Image 2 finally did it. You guys have to go test this out for yourself.